Dear students, let's we start business ethics, which is a very important topic in the current module. And with business ethics, we will learn that what's the basic issues of business ethics, so that it is a very necessary term in any business. It may be from the side of production business or the services, but all the time it is necessary to follow business ethics by the manager, by the entrepreneur, or such persons who are involving in different type of businesses. When we consider about ethics, then we have the knowledge that ethics is about what is wrong, what is right. Means if we have to distinguish between different terms which are under ethics, then easily we can consider that which type of behavior is good or which type of behavior is bad. Because all over when we think about ethics, then this ethics is all about the values and such type of knowledge we have gained from the side of our family or from the side of our society. We can say that if we learn different types of values and ethics from the side of our family, then it is such type of personal ethics. And this is also applicable towards society ethics. But when we concern about the business ethics, then which type of ethics can we consider? For example, if somebody has invested 1 lakh in any business, and after investing such money in his business, he is not able to get any profit from the business side. So if there is no business from the invested money, then it is considered as the improper ethics, which is due to the investment, but not supposed to collect the benefit from the side of business. It is such type of, you can consider that corporate issue. If any person has invested 1 lakh or millions of money in his business, then if the business is not supposed to get any benefit, then it is one of the issue in the corporate ethics. And what's the reason behind these all types of failure by the business? It is we can consider under the business ethics. If we consider the company Tata, and it is a renowned company, and even the Tata Industries supposed to earn more benefit and more turnover from its businesses, then we can consider that the business ethics is the major concern about the industry, about the company like Tata. Sometimes, if we are considering about individual issues in business ethics, then we can consider one individual who is responsible with their actions, so that even investing millions of money in any business cannot able to get benefit. What's the reason behind it? It's all the issues of individuality. Why the business, even with lakhs of money invested in the inputs, but as per the output, it is not able to get the appropriate benefit. So whether we are considering about business ethics, there may several issues like corporate issues, like individual issues, and as well as what the major issue we can consider, that is the societal issue or the external environment issues, so that different type of law, different type of guidelines which have been provided from the side of government and also which have been used from the side of society as the external uh, stakeholder. And for any business, the business person has to follow such type of it. And if we as a businessman or we as a manager, we have an ethical duty, then it is important that we have the cooperation with all our stakeholders. Means what's our internal stakeholders and what's external stakeholders. For the benefit of all stakeholders, businessman or manager has to consider different ethical duties. Suppose if any organization is producing drugs for the medicinal purpose to the society, and suppose the composition is uh, not good due to different lack of knowledge from the side of employees who are working in that industry, which is now producing such type of drug. So that is the ethical issues, and due to lack of knowledge of the person who is working in any industry which is producing such type of medicine, then this issue must be considered for the different stakeholders also, mainly who has to consume this medicine. Means if there is a high side of side effects from any medicine, then it has to indicate from the side of industry that which type of side effects occurred due to the consumption of such type of medicine, such type of drug. Every time any business has to follow the ethical duty. And this ethical duty is not towards their employees, but it's all about all the stakeholders, even customers, even retailer, even media, even government, which are actually internal and external stakeholders, different internal and external stakeholders. So every time any businesses has to follow such type of ethical duty. Each stakeholder in the enterprise with certain expectation as to what the enterprise should do and how it should be. Suppose sometime we are observing some news about different type of product which is concerning about some particle we have found in that type of product like cold drink or like noodles. And if such type of a foreign particle we have found with consumption of that cold drink or consumption of that noodles, then it is the corporate issues. Why such type of foreign particle customer has been finding in different type of products? Because ultimately customers have belief about that product, that without observing that product after opening the packet, the product will be in good condition. Sometimes many business apply to sell the retired product or the expiry product so that it may hamper the health of the customer. So if such type of lack of ethical duty has been observed from the side of customer, then ultimately there will be the reduction in the business of that company. So if any business consider about each stakeholder, the stakeholder is not only the customer but also the government, but also the media as well as even internal stakeholder. If every time the organization or enterprise is going to follow, then it will be very good for that enterprise to explore their business like Tata. What's about the employees? Employees are considered under the internal stakeholders of the company. And suppose the enterprise has offered some job to their employees, and at right time the enterprise is not able to give the payment salary to that stakeholder. Is this ethical? Because if some employee is dependent towards the earning where he is working, and if he is not able to collect the salary amount at the end of month, then how he can run his family properly? So if there is no timely payment of the salary from the side of enterprise to their employees, then it is another unethical example. So there may the several list of ethical duty for each businesses. Ultimately, that type of ethical duty will be applicable to get benefit, to provide benefit to each of the stakeholders who are associated with the enterprise. And how enterprise can do it, actually enterprise should do it. And how it should do it, it is the main following of the ethical. Business ethics is applied ethics, and ethical behavior is the best long-term business strategy for company. Suppose if once you visited any shop, and with the good process or good delivery from the shopkeeper about the product or services you delighted once, then you can again rearrange to visit that shop for another purchase. And you observed uh, some ethical duty which have been followed by the shopkeeper. Like if he is giving you chair, or even he is offering some water or some cold drink because you have visited there after covering some distance, and even he is offering the product in good condition with reasonable price, then all type of ethical duty which have been following by that shopkeeper will delight you. And finally, if you have to visit again that shopkeeper, then you will be reconsidered that you will always visit that shopkeeper, instead others are also in the market. Hence, if business or the business person is following the ethical duty, which is not supposed to be a list, but many things we can suppose that what's wrong, what's right. And once one can easily distinguish between what's wrong and what's right, it is ultimately help the businessman to design the ethical duty. Because if one person is mature and attained 18 years of his or her age, then ultimately it is unnecessary from their side that uh, those persons should well knowledge about the ethics. It is another matter that he is following ethics or not. Sometimes person will not follow ethics. But what the reason behind it, it is to analyze importantly. Sometimes when we consider about the ethics, and the ethics is not telling lie. Suppose I am indicating one example of ethics, that don't tell lie anyhow. But if I am giving one example that father is saying his child when some visitor is visited at his home, and he is not consideration to meet that visitor, then he is saying with his child that go outside and open the door and say that father is presently not at home. That time, if child consider that his father is inside home and he is telling that, say, a visitor to that I am not inside the home, then a child cannot distinguish between why he is forced to tell lie because he is child. He is below 12 years, he is below 8 years. Then his father ethical duty is what? Why he said such type of lie to tell from the side of child. And all the time, if situation will be same, then that child, when attain the maturity age, then what will he follow? And in future, if he is going to start any business or he is going to join any professional job, then how his behavior is about ethical duty. So we can consider that all the time if there may some ethics, even in family, even in society, then it is the responsibility of ourselves to follow even there is the extreme condition. Because if a child, when I explained the example earlier, and if that child is supposed to tell a lie that father is not inside the home, then what will be his exploration in future when he attain the mature life? So, like such type of ethics, business ethics is also important. If all the time business owner or the manager is attaining such type of unethical duties, then their subordinate and their employees will also follow it. And ultimately, what will be the result by such type of unethical practices? Due to such type of unethical practice, ultimately their businesses slow down. And what the fact if we are considering or we are following some unethical duty to stakeholder, especially with our customers and with our employees, then ultimately he can lost belief from that business or that product. If there may some quality issues in any product due to lack of quality concern by the quality department of any organization, and such type of expired product has been found from company to the customer, then what will be the effect upon customer? Once he found such expired product, then all the time he is not going to purchase the same product from the side of the company, and it will be the long term loss to that company. Now we have to understand the concept of business ethics, and you can consider ethics as the discipline that examines one's moral standards or the moral standards of the society. Simply, if we have the consideration about ethics, then ethics is a discipline and it is used to examine one's moral standard. And moral standard is specifically to identify what is wrong, what is right. If suppose we had the example that father had uh, given direction to his child to tell lie from the visitor, then what's the condition? What was the condition that his father has adopted such type of wrong moral to his child? Because it is very important to differentiate between right and wrong. And once a moral standard or moral standard of the society is predefined, we have not only the one or two moral standards, but we have several standards, and you can consider that such type of moral standard or moral standard of the society must be examined by the help of ethics. Means society or individual has identified a different type of conditions, a different type of standards which have been found what is right, what is wrong. Like, don't tell a lie. Easily one can consider that this is wrong ethics, wrong ethical duty. Without any reasonable cause, one cannot tell lie to the others. Because ultimately, if one person is using such type of unethical duty, then it will hamper directly or indirectly to the society. And even we have business ethics, then there are several moral standards which is again we can consider as right or wrong. And some moral standards are actually made from the side of the society. And all the time, if the organization or manager is going to follow such type of moral standard, then it will be make a benefit from the side of the society, because ultimately society is the customers, and if society will happy uh, because the organization is following the moral standard, then you can consider that it will increase the number of the customers as well. Nowadays, in medical industry or in hospitals, what different type of news is we have been listening, that even after death of the person, the hospital owner is uh, concerning about the fee. Even any person expired 2 day or 3 day before, and he is telling a lie with their persons, with the parents, uh, patient's persons, that he is alive even, and he is supposed to make payment from the side of the relatives of the patient. So, what's such type of duty? It is unethical duty, and suppose once it is specified from the side of the patient relatives or the society, then next time a person will use word of mouth to other relatives or other person about that hospital who is supposed to practicing such type of unethical. All the time, it is important that any business has to examine the moral standard. If the hospital has some fee, and if he is not able to uh, cure the patient, and the patient attend die, then what's his moral duty? What's his ethical duty? He has to give the appropriate information to their relatives so that relatives can ultimately uh, meet the situation, and it is not supposed to give the medical fee even after 2 days or 3 days before death of the patient. It includes not only the analysis of moral norms and moral values, but also attempt to apply the conclusions of this analysis to the assortment of institutions, technology, activity, and pursuit that we call business. Means how we can consider about the business ethics, it's not only about the individual. Means the manager or the individual who has to follow the ethical issues, but it's all about the analysis of ethical duty or business ethics, which must be institutional, technological, activity based, and ultimately you can consider that all the business should follow the ethical duty, which is called as business ethics. Means if any hospital is not using the advanced machinery to cure the person, then it is the unethical duty from the side of the technology. He has forced, hospital has forced to submitted the medical fee as per the latest technology of the treatment. But hospital is not using such type of technology. So not even by the individual, but by the help of technology institutions. And ultimately, you can consider that all the business, it must be conclude about the business ethics. And all the business has to analyze the moral norms and moral values and attempt to apply. And what would be the result? It will be always in the favor of the company, in favor of the business. If we are considering about the scope of business ethics, then business ethics briefly investigate three kinds of issues. And these kinds of issues are well described from the side of systematic issues, corporate issues, and individual. And if there is systematic issues, then such issues in business ethics are ethical questions are raised about economic, political, legal, and other systems. Because if any business is functioning in any location or in any country, then at that location there may some term and condition as per the economic condition, political and legal condition. Sometimes if government is not allowing some particular industry to produce some hazardous products, or if there may some legal issues to not produce some hazardous products, or some environmental issues. So there is the duty from the side of the company that company has to not produce such type of product. And these type of issues are systematic issues. If any company is going to run under any government, then what the government economic, political or legal guidelines all the time company has to follow. And under that all systems, business will operate. Several times we can consider that different type of medicine which is not legal in production in India as well. Some type of drugs which are illegal to sell in India. So there may some economical, political, or legal term, and all the time the business has to face such type of systematic issues. And this type of systematic issues include about the morality of capitalism or the law, regulation, industrial structure, social practices within which business operates. If we consider any business, then that business has the such type of law and regulation the company is following all the time. Like corporate law, factory law, child labor law, means there are different type of systematic law. If we are going to consider about child labor law, then it is about that any industry cannot hire the labor who has not attained 16 years. And even company is going to had 16-year age of the labor, then labor is not supposed to do work in hazardous production. There may several hazardous production which may ultimately make a defect to the persons, and if such type of 16-year age labor is hired for that production, then it is necessary that such type of production will be not hazardous. And it is the child labor law. Even what's about the uh, child labor law, even attainment of 14 year of age of child, he cannot work with his family in the school time. Suppose one child who is under 14 years and his parents is supposed to attend the service of a child in any business, then if he is such type of helping hand for his parents, but at the time of schooling, he is not supposed to give help to their parents. After schooling, he can give help to the parents. So many type of regulation is explained in the child labor law. Similarly, there are different type of pollution law, different type of tax regulations, and all the time company has to follow such type of morality. Tax invasion. Tax invasion is also one of unethical ways. If the company is not supposed to deposit the tax in appropriate proportion to the government, then it is tax invasion. And not only the business, but if any person who is under the tax law, then he or she has to give the appropriate tax to the government, to the income department. And such type of practices in which the tax is not paid by the person, by the business, then it is such type of unethical business. So there are different type of systematic issues, and such systematic issues not only consider about the economic issues, but it's all about the political and legal, environmental, and other more issues within which business operates, because all the matter ultimately supposed to be the factor of the businesses, and we are considering factor, then only the owner can run the business.